Hey everyone, welcome to the greatest Access tutorial ever, where we cover anything Microsoft Access. My name's Jeremy. Let's get started. Today we'll be covering 3 essential VBA modules you can use in practically any database. Our first tool will let us easily remove memory objects from VBA. The problem is quite simple. Say we have some code and we've created a variable, and then we set that variable to an actual object. Now we have something sitting in memory. At the end of the code, VBA should trash that object, getting rid of it, but sometimes things don't go as planned. And successive runs of code, we have those objects continually appearing until something very bad happens. Now we can try to mitigate this by manually coding a close and set to nothing line. But we can make a module to make this even easier.